The problem with conventional practice. In traditional stud-framed walls, builders often install extra studs around windows and doors, even when they aren't structurally required. These unnecessary king, jack, and cripple studs waste lumber. Standard stud construction can use 5%, 10% more board feet, and up to 30% more individual pieces than necessary. Reduce insulation. Each added stud takes up cavity space that could be filled with insulation. Increase thermal bridging. More studs, more heat transfer between inside and outside, reducing overall wall R value. Building Science Corporation estimates that production builders can save up to $1,000 per home in materials and labor by combining advanced framing measures, including reducing unnecessary studs at openings. Components around openings. To understand where savings are possible, it helps to review the main framing members used at windows and doors. King studs, full-length studs running from top to bottom of the wall, located on each side of an opening. Jack studs, shorter studs next to king, studs that support headers above openings. Headers, horizontal members spanning the top of windows and doors, resting on jack studs. Sills, horizontal members under windows, nailed to jack studs. Cripple studs, short vertical studs above headers or below sills, placed to maintain regular stud spacing. While some of these are essential for structure, conventional practice often includes extra king studs, double jack studs, or more cripples than needed. Advanced framing solutions. Minimal framing at doors and windows relies on using just enough studs for structural integrity while opening up more room for insulation. Recommended techniques include align with a 2-foot grid frame walls with 2.6 studs at 24 inches on center. Align window and door openings with this spacing to minimize the need for additional king studs. Limit stud counts. Use no more than 1 pair of king studs and 1 pair of jack studs per opening. Install only the cripple studs necessary to maintain the standard stud spacing above or below the opening. Use insulated headers with metal hangers. Instead of resting headers on jack studs, hang them with metal hangers. This reduces lumber while maintaining strength. Insulated headers also improve thermal resistance. Use 2x2 nailers instead of extra kings. When trim or siding requires nailing support, attach 2x2 nailers to king studs. This avoids adding a full extra king stud when OSB or plywood sheathing already provides a nailing surface. Minimal framing around doors and windows is a straightforward but powerful advanced framing technique. By aligning openings on a 2-foot grid, reducing redundant king, jack, and cripple studs, and using insulated headers with hangers or nailers, builders can save materials, improve thermal performance, and lower costs, all without compromising structural integrity.